Discord is a widely used app for chatting, gaming, and building communities. However, users sometimes face connection problems such as being stuck on the loading screen or getting disconnected during calls. Fortunately, these issues are usually due to problems with your internet, cache, or the app itself, and they can often be resolved. So, this guide provides simple step-by-step solutions to help you fix the Discord connection issues, even if you're not very tech savvy. First, you need to go ahead and check your internet connection. Confirm your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is working by testing other or website. And if your internet seems slow or stable, you can go ahead and restart your router or modem. Then restart Discord. Completely close the Discord by clicking the tray icon and selecting Quit Discord and reopen the app. Sometimes a quick restart is all it takes. You can also try running the Discord as an administrator. Right click on the Discord application, run it as an administrator, and this can resolve connection problems caused by permissions restriction. Also clear the Discord cache. You can press Windows plus R key on your keyboard, then type %app data % or %local app data %, hit enter, find the Discord folder and delete it completely. You can also try disabling VPN or proxy. VPNs and proxies can sometimes prevent Discord from connecting. Temporarily disable them and try again. And also update the Discord application as outdated versions can cause problems. Close and reopen the Discord to trigger any automatic update. And if that does not work, you can try reinstalling the Discord application on your device. And if the app is not working, you can use the desktop version as well. And if the desktop app won't still connect, you can visit the Discord web in your browser. So this will help you determine if the problem is specific to the app. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.